Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I will tell you about my family. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. I have a small and happy family. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my brother, and me. We live together in a simple and cozy home. My father is tall and strong. He is 50 years old. He works in an office. Every morning, he wakes up early. He drinks a cup of coffee and reads the newspaper. He goes to work by car. In the evening, he likes to watch TV or read books. Sometimes he helps me with advice. He is kind and patient. My mother is very caring. She is 48 years old. She is not very tall, but she is full of energy. She works at home and also takes care of the family. She cooks delicious meals every day. She likes to make rice, vegetables, and soup. On weekends, she bakes bread or cakes. She also loves gardening. There are many flowers and plants around our house because of her. She is warm and always smiling. My brother is younger than me. He is 20 years old. He is a student at university. He studies computers. He likes to play football with his friends. On weekends, he often goes to the park to play. At home, he enjoys playing video games. Sometimes he helps me with my phone or laptop. He is smart and funny. I am the oldest child in the family. I am 25 years old. I work in an office from Monday to Friday. I like to read books, listen to music, and cook simple meals. I also like to learn new things. On weekends, I spend time with my family. In the morning, we usually eat breakfast together. We talk about our plans for the day. Sometimes we laugh and tell small stories. At night, we often eat dinner together. It is a happy time for all of us. we talk about school, work, and daily life. We share ideas and feelings. On Sundays, we sometimes visit our grandparents. They live in a small town not far from us. We go by car and spend the day with them. My grandmother cooks delicious food. My grandfather tells us old stories. It is always a special time. My family is very important to me. They give me love and support. When I feel tired, they help me feel strong again. When I feel happy, they share my smile. I am thankful for my family every day. This is my family. What about you? Can you describe your family in English? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.